Oh my God. Is that a flathead?
Still got the original paint.
So, I need to come back with a trailer.
Yo, you ain't gonna believe what I just found. 32 Ford coupe, sitting here rotten. Wait till you see the price.
Look at her, chop top, flathead V8 still in there, body solid, real deal hot rod, just left here to die. 1,200 bucks. 1,200. These go for 40 grand all day. Bro priced it wrong. I'm taking it home.
Bro, that car is just sitting there running. Doors open, nobody around, in the middle of this field.
Fuel is almost full. Gloves are right there on the seat. Man, somebody was literally just in here. This engine is warm, it's been running a while, and somebody stuffed a note in there on purpose. I'm not gonna read this out loud, but y'all need to tell me right now, what you think this is.
50 years? Nobody opened this door in 50 years, and there's a whole Cadillac just sitting in here. This car's got an old evidence tag right here, which means somebody's gonna come asking questions real soon.
You can't just walk in here after 50 years and tell us this car belongs to the city now. So who actually owns a car like this after 50 years locked away, Jin? You tell me.
That is a tail fin sticking straight up out of the ground. There's an entire car buried nose down out here. This is a 59 Eldorado, twin fins and all. And it looks like it went in nose first at real speed. This exact car was reported missing from a casino heist back in 1961 and never seen again until today. Nobody has opened this trunk in over 60 years. And I honestly don't know if we should be the ones to.
There are 11 cars back here, all lined up in rows like somebody parked them on purpose and just walked away.
Every single one of these has a purchase sticker dated the same exact week back in 1969.
This same man bought all 11 of these cars in one single week and then apparently never drove any of them again.
Nobody buys 11 cars in 1 week and just leaves them to rot, unless something happened that we don't understand yet.
Oh, it's lifting it!
Shit, did you see that? Oh my God, it hit the car. Look, gone. It's still smoking. Oh my God, the whole side.